tenement halls and whispered in the sound of silence.